Hello everybody, this is Nicholas and I'm here today for another quick tip. Today's quick tip has to do with taking an email message in Office 365 and automatically turning it into a calendar event. This is something that's been possible to do in many versions of Outlook going back, but for a while now I haven't known how to do it in the browser-based version, so I just haven't. If I wanted to do this, I would use the desktop application or simply do it manually. But this is a lot quicker if you happen to be using the online version. Here's what I'm talking about. In Office 365 in your browser, I have an email message, a sample that's here now, that I want to turn into a calendar event so I can just, when I get a reminder or when I look at my calendar, I can quickly see what this meeting is about and what I need to be prepared for without having to go back and dig for the email. So in order to do this in the browser, I'm going to click on the My Day icon here at the top of the menu, and I'm going to switch to the calendar view, making sure that I'm not in the to-do view. Now it's possible either way, it's just easier to do it here. And now I'm going to go over and make sure that the email that I'm turning into a calendar event is highlighted. And I'm going to drag that over here into Add as an Event. And when I do that, I'm going to get a pop-up. Now the first time you do this, you're probably going to have to give the browser that you're working in, tell it that you want to give Office 365 permission to open pop-ups. But once you do that, you get this pop-up window. And in my case, I want to schedule this for Friday at 2:30. So I'm using these options to click and scroll to Friday at 2:30. It doesn't need to repeat. It's not a Teams meeting. I don't need to put a location in there, but I could if I wanted to. I like to turn off reminders if I don't need them. And now I've got the body of the email that has the important information integrated right into the calendar event. And so when I click save, it's there. And now I could look at it over here in my sidebar, but I don't like the sidebar. So I'm going to go to calendar, and we can see that I have added that email here to my calendar, and all the information is here when I need it. So that's my quick tip for today. I'll make more coming up. Go ahead and shoot an email to nicholas@informationgames.info if you have something that you'd like a quick tip made about. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.